we got another day. We're gonna do another dive. There ain't no doubt about it.
With an Arctic storm looming, the Pomrenke crew was on the hunt for the mother lode.
Maybe this will be our lucky hole. Maybe it'll be just like the rest, but we're gonna give it a shot.
We got our gear loaded up. We're heading to our last hole of the year. Hopefully it's a good one. We haven't hit a real good one yet.
After spending 30 grand on a mining expedition in the wild, Mr. Gold is still a little light on gold.
Picked off this spot yesterday. High hopes.
5 days ago, Sean's father and business partner, Steve,
That's the old man. Oh no.
showed up to lay down the law
Anything getting done around here?
and help put the crew on pay dirt.
There's a streak about 100 feet wide.
After a step in the right direction,
Holy that's a big
they're still searching for that bonanza.
Got to get one more hole in here. Come on. I think I have high expectations for Sean because that's what my dad expected out of me. In order to make this business survive and thrive, I gotta stay on him. All right, now let's find some more. Otherwise, you will pay the price.
Under the gun from the old man, it's time to put up or shut up.
We've had some really nice weather. Dad shows up, brings weather. But at least he's here helping out in the last couple holes here, so glad to see him out here.
I'm really glad to be here too because I wanted to see what kind of gold we got here for the future of that boat we got in the harbor sitting up there.
Well, you come out thinking we were just around out here, but you want to find gold, you better work your ass off. And that's what we're doing.
"100 miles east of town, far from any hope of rescue, Sean Pomrenke and crew
Blizzard out here right now.
are feeling the full weight of the storm.
Real stormy out. There's a blizzard. Can't even see anything out here. I need to get down and get out of the storm.
Now the old man gets to see what we actually do out here. It'd break a weaker man.
Snowing, blizzardy, blowing, you know, which makes it miserable, but you gotta get your job done. You gotta get your job done. You get out there and do your job. Might be some weather coming in here, huh, boys?
I seem to be always trying to prove myself to him that, hey, you know, we're working hard. And it's always hard to convince him that we're actually working.
Proving himself to Dad in these conditions is extremely dangerous.
If the wind turns the right direction and the tide is right, it breaks the ice free from the beach, and then it'll blow it right out into that open water, and we'll be going right with it, all the way to Russia.
The strong offshore winds can raise the tides, cracking the shore-fast ice and carrying crew and gear out into the Bering Sea.
Need to sniff some gold out. We need to make sure we find enough to make this trip worthwhile.
Yeah, roger that. We gotta find something. There we go. How's it looking down there? The bottom looks pretty cool. I like this sand where it meets that bedrock. These cracks are real interesting looking. Might be some gold down there somewhere deep. Those pumps idle all the way up? Yeah, they are. Suction feels a little weak. Yeah, I think I got a clog. I'm gonna take a look real quick. Stuck.
Oh, he's not happy. He's got a plug up.
My hair feels like it's getting pretty restricted. Yeah, my hair's definitely getting something feels funny. How's the pressure? Oh, baby.
Come on up. Here, we just broke the recoil on the pump.
On the back of
Yep.
your ass up here. Come on up, come on up.
Come on up. Here, we just broke the recoil on the pump.
On the back of
Yep.
your ass up here. Come on up, come on up.
Engine for the air compressor died. He went to restart it. The whole rope on the starter broke. So now it's imperative that Cody gets his butt up here.
So dumb. It's real scary when you run out of air. When I came back up and my mask was all fucked, I think I got a little water in there. As I started freezing up after that.
Don't world of work out here. We're running out of time. Things are going to hell. Do we quit right now and head back to town? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't like that stuff happening at all, but it happens. But if you know what to do, fix the problem.
With Cody's dive a bust and the blizzard worsening, Sean has a choice. Knuckle down and face the storm, or call it quits and face the dad.
Weather's horrible. We might be stuck here.
So you want to be a gold miner? Come join us.
Dad, I got him to convince us to let us come out here, but now I gotta show him some gold to prove that we're finding something out here.
The crew is panning out the first few feet of their sluice box.
Let's get this cleanup.
How come we ain't getting that cleanup done here?
Almost spilled. Our hard work. Damn near spilt the pan.
Here, let me get that out of here anyway here.
So this is a meal. All right, we got the header carpet out, and we're gonna see what's in here. There's a few little pieces in there.
Look at all that fine gold.
The first take, approximately 2.5 ounces.
It's a good feeling. We wanted to prove that there was actually gold out there, and we found what we were looking for, and we're gonna get back to work.